Okay, so for this motor, just like all the other motors that we've done in years past, we're going to be using the ACT 6-puck clutch. We also use a sprung 6-puck because it helps reduce the amount of force that's going on it really quickly. We're looking at a non-drag race situation, so we're using that to kind of dampen a little bit of forces there. Another thing that we also have is the ACT Lightweight Pro Light flywheel. Basically, this helps allow the engine to rev up faster, quicker, that type of thing. Obviously, this is for a race car, so we're not caring about anything else besides getting it as fast as we can